Good morning, class. Let's move to our last topic of the chapter cell, that is vacuole. This is the last cell organelle. Vacuole, it is a fluid-filled membrane bound clear space in the cytoplasm. That is filled with the water and so many substances like minerals, sugars, carbohydrate, organic acids, pigments, metabolic waste in the form of solution. It is present inside the membrane, and the membrane which is covered the vacuole, that is known as tonoplast, see in the diagram, and the liquid which they contain is known as cell sap, right? And one thing you must know, that in animal cell vacuole present the corner, or it's not so much larger in size, but in plant cell it is present in the center, and almost it covers 85 to 90% of the plant cell, right? It is present in the cell, plant cell. Fine. Basically there are three type of vacuole: food vacuole, contractile vacuole. These are mainly two type of vacuoles. There are so many small vacuoles will help in the storage, right? And these two vacuole, food vacuole and contractile vacuole, generally occurs in the unicellular animals like amoeba and paramecium. Now, functions of the vacuole. First function, it provides turgidity and rigidity. Turgidity means stretching to the cell. Okay? And means if a cell is in a straight condition or swells up, so that means it is turgid. They help in the storage also. Food material and waste product they store, and they help in the removal of excretory waste also. Osmotic concentration they control in the plant cell, and at last in the unicellular organisms they help in the digestion also, right? So this is all about the vacuole. And beta, now you start doing these question answer in your copy, which I have attached in this video, as well as some diagram based question. Kindly do it in the notebook and finish this chapter. In the next video we will start with the tissue chapter. Thank you so much. Bye bye.